By replacing the damaged oxygen sensor, you can easily fix the P0137 error code by yourself. This means the engine control module is detecting a voltage reading from the downstream oxygen sensor that is lower than what's expected. This often triggers the check engine light. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Oxygen sensors, also known as 0-2 sensors, help determine whether the air-fuel ratio of combustion engines is rich or lean in real time. Oxygen sensors are located before and after the catalytic converter, and here are the sensor's locations. A faulty oxygen sensor may cause black smoke to come out from the exhaust. You can notice full efficiency loss and produce a sulfur-like or rotten egg smell. Here are two methods to fix the oxygen sensor. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and P0430 by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. By following these steps, you can easily fix the P0137 error code. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Nissan, Honda, Chrysler, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.